What's going on, everyone? Hey, my name is Brian, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make money online, and you can make anywhere from $1,000 a day on up with some free AI tools that help you automate the sales of products. And the good thing is you don't even have to fulfill them. And the best part is I have nothing to sell you today. So in fact, I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff. I'm going to give you a free course, a free step-by-step checklist that helps you get going. And you can start earning money right away with our AI tools, ChatGPT, and Go High Level. And again, this is all 100% free to do and try out. And you can do this as a complete beginner from anywhere around the world. So inside this video, I'm going to show you basically the roadmap of how to get going, how to start making money online, everything you need to do. I'm going to show you about the checklist and the course and stuff like that. So we gave you a bunch of free content, free videos, pre-made stuff you can replicate and go from there. So let me show you how this works. This is our website. Once again, there's the free trial right here. You can do the free 30-day trial, or you can do the done for you, where we help you actually get set up. So you're not taking all the setup is done for you. And all you have to do is do some content to go get some business. So that's on our website. You can go check it out. The cool thing is you can join our Discord and get a lot of questions answered. A lot of questions. We answer questions every day. Chase, our founder, is in there. He's always answering questions, doing content. So he's doing content all the time and stuff like this, using AI to generate content and go from there. So like this one, he made a story basically about a guy that was homeless. Then he found AI and stuff like that. So the story is out there. I can share it with you. Share the link. So Chase gives you lots of tools, lots of resources to use, questions answered, all that good stuff. And oh, the cool thing is there's a boot camp live every Monday at 1 o'clock, and on Saturdays as well. You can join that for free as well. It's free. You can join in, get your questions answered live with Chase and everybody else that's in there, and get it going. So let me show you the checklist. So this is the roadmap to get going. So you can actually book a call with me, and you can book a Zoom session with me, and I'll help you. I'll show you where to go to get started fast, so you can start making money online. We give you automated testimonials. We have the Discord group. We have. So if you like, comment, and subscribe below. I'll give you the link to the checklist, to this checklist, and to our course, so you can check it out, get started right away. We have our funnel. We have the recent lives that you can check out. And this is our checklist, step by step. So we show you how to get started in Go High Level, our Radar, which is our social media posting tool that we use. We have ManyChat, Phantom Buster, all the tools here that you want to get started with. It's all here in checklist format. So what you do is you do it, then you check it off. Okay? So these are all tools that we use in our business. I use these all the time. I use Canva, Loom, Ninja. I use OBS. Pabbly, all that good stuff. Now we show you the recipe to basically make money online. You need to do 3 short form contents a day and upload them across social media. Then you want at least 1 short long form content. Then you want to do some email. Then you want to be in the community and repost and carousels and all that good stuff. So that's what we do. We post content and we get customers that way. So we show you how to do it. You want to do YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Those are the 4 main ones that you want to be using for free content out there. You can do this for free to basically start your business and make money online. And then once you can go from there and do threads, Facebook groups, Discord, LinkedIn, Snapchat, all that good stuff. And then these are the websites you can go to. We also give you a bunch of tools. We give you 400 AI tools that you can be an affiliate with and make affiliate commissions on. So this is pretty cool. I use a lot of these myself. Go High Level, I use Shopify, Radar, ConvertKit, I use OBS. So OBS is doing this video right now. Then we have the AI tools, which is Jasper. There's ChatGPT, Copy AI, Copywriter, all that good stuff. We even show you how to use other people's content and then recreate the video. So like over here, you can go to this tool right here, Note GPT, and it will rewrite the script for you. So what you do is you plug in a video and it will actually give you a script. Okay? So that's just one cool thing you can do. So these are a lot of tools. And then we have already done content for you, already done emails pre-written that you can plug in and send out to your subscribers. And if you don't have a subscriber list, like emails, you can build it. You can build it and, we'll show you how to do that. So once again, if you want to click the like, subscribe, and comment below, we'll hook you up with this list. You can and get you going. So then we have Instagram Reels. This is just content you can use to basically get traffic to your websites. Use traffic to your websites, all your content, your social media channels. You can use this. We have the Google Drive links, all that good stuff. And then we have YouTube long form content, which you can recreate. You can recreate all this stuff. All you gotta do is usually just use CapCut and then change out the music. And you can use the thumbnails that are already out there for you to use. They're already there. And then these are the view count. So we have these listed by view count. So the ones with the biggest views are the ones that are up here. Most of these have gotten over 1,000 views, 1,000 to, which was this, 30, 40,000 views. So all you gotta do is recreate them. So like every one of these, yeah, anywhere from 300 to 40,000 views. So then we give you Instagram images. You can use these to post content. And once again, we got the like counts, comment counts. So these are the most popular comments. We notice that when we say happy birthday to ourselves, it generates a lot of traffic and comments. So we use that a lot. Happy birthdays. And then we have our checklist, our reels. We have the course, which is right here. This is our course. And you can take it step by step. I will actually show you inside. I'm going to show you inside Go High Level the course. But this is it right here. Once again, we show you step by step what to do, how to get started. Our founder Chase actually built the course and he's sharing it for free. So I can share it with you. We show you, like I said, step by step. You go through the course. We're not charging for it. It's totally free. You can take it. We show you what we're doing to get live paying customers online, and you go from there. So over here is Go High Level. And this is our conversational AI. This is just one tool we use to help small businesses, manage their business and get more customers. Because like a lot of times when people are calling in, the business owners can't answer the phone because they're doing a job. Think about it, like plumbers and painters and roofers. They're doing their job. They're on the roof, or they're painting a house, or like a barber, they're cutting hair. So they can't always answer the phone. That's where our conversational AI comes in, and the AI agent. AI agent, a lot of business owners, they're going to pay like $500 a month just for our AI agent. Anyways, this is our Go High Level. This is the tool we use. It has conversational AI plus the AI agent. It's going to be available later this week. This thing does a whole ton of things that you can sell. You can sell to small businesses. And we can go over that later in other videos. But there's a ton of stuff you can do here. We can show you just how to get started, but just the AI, conversational AI, ChatGPT, the AI agent, these things alone you can sell for $500 a month. And so you can sell accounts, which are in here. You can sell accounts to small businesses, or you can sign them up directly with the company. Hang on a second. Get outside. So anyways, how do we find these businesses? We go to Google Maps. And we can type in, plumbers near me, whatever you want. Plumbers, there's painters. Let's do painters. All right, so we got Jesse Superior Painting. He came up. Interesting. Davidson Painting. Let's check them out. A cut above, good neighbor. So we get all these companies, and what we do is we take their information from their website, like right here. And we copy their website, and what happens is the AI bot will actually learn everything from their website, and will know how to answer conversations. Cool. So there's the website, and what we do is we're going to go here and train it. So you go to bot training, we put in the website right there. We're going to get data. It's going to get everything from Davidson Painting, and it's going to learn how to have conversations, and phone conversations and text conversations with people when they call in, or text the company from the website. So this helps business owners, because a lot of times, like I said, businesses can't always answer the phone. They're either painting a house, they're cutting hair, they're on the roof doing a roofing job, they're mowing lawns, whatever they're doing, they're busy working their business. So when people come in and say, hey, can you give me a bid on this job? That's what the AI conversational AI is for. And a lot of businesses will gladly pay $500 a month for this service. So you can do this. You could sell this directly to companies and charge them $500 a month, and that's profit in your pocket. So profit in your pocket, you can sell it by the account, or you can sign them directly with Go High Level, and then you basically only make a 40% commission. But if you sign them directly with you and you sign them up as an account, then you're making 100%. The $500 you charge them, or whatever you charge, that's 100% in your pocket, and it goes directly from Stripe and then to your bank account. So there we go. It learned it. It said it's trained. So we're going to ask it a few questions and go from there. So you can configure it intents, book appointments. You can say book appointments, trigger. It can go to someone's calendar on our team. So you can tell it to book appointments, like maybe for the business owner. And then you can go to the trial. You can say, can you paint my house? So, because we did a house painting. Okay, we gotta reset the conversations, because we just changed companies. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Can you paint my house? Here we go. Go. Okay, so anyways, it needs more training, but it says, check out Davidson Painting. They're highly rated. So it shouldn't have said that. See what it says. We don't handle painting. That's interesting. Okay, well, usually it works just fine. It does require a little training. And what it does is it learns. Oh, so we're gonna fix this. David's painting. So there's a little bit of configuring and training, but once that's done, it usually does really well. So we're gonna ask it again. We're gonna reset. There we go. Now it says, yes, we can paint your house. We're reliable, meticulous, and offer 15% exterior painting services. 15% off. So there you go. So it answered the question. Okay. Let's see what it says here. How soon can you paint my house? Let's see what it says. You can get started anytime, but availability might vary. So you might want to call Colton Davidson. So see, this is useful for businesses because see, it basically handles a lot of the texting, and Colton here doesn't have to worry about getting on the phone or looking at his phone as texting because he might be painting a house. Okay. So there you go. That's how the AI conversational works. But this is Go High Level. There's a lot of things in here that you can sell. You can sell these either individually or as a package deal to small businesses. So we have automations and email services. We have websites you can sell, websites and hosting, domain services. There's automations and all that good stuff. So this is just one tool. We do Google My Business, media, reputation management. This is the CRM. So we have conversations in here. So conversations, here I'll just take you to another account. We'll take you over here, this is my account. So you can have full-on conversations with people. So it can text and it can receive text and send out text. You can also do WhatsApp, email, and even Facebook if you have Facebook configured. It has a full-on calendar. So you can use these to book people onto your calendar. You can actually send people links to your calendar and then go from there. And then we have the Launchpad. So Launchpad will integrate with Google My Business, Facebook, with your texting. And we actually have a phone app you can use as well. So people that are out doing their job, like painting or plumbing or roofing, they can actually use the phone app to look at their messages. Then you can integrate with WhatsApp. We do have a Stripe integration. We have Yext. We also do hosting for WordPress and then templated websites. So hey, if you're interested, you want to learn more, click on the link below. You also want to click a like, subscribe, and I'd love to talk to you. If you have more questions, you can always book a Zoom with me, and I'll show you how this works. Once again, we have the Discord. You can get in here. We'll hook you up with Discord. You can always ask questions. You get on the what do you call it? 1 o'clock bootcamp calls. We have 1 o'clock on Mondays Pacific time. So this is Chase. He became a millionaire by doing online businesses. He basically helped businesses with AI, automations, all that good stuff, Go High Level, and a bunch of other affiliate stuff that you can do as well. So we can show you how to do this and make $1,000 a day. I do it all the time. I sign up businesses. They pay me. I get paid through my Stripe, and then it goes to my bank account. It's pretty amazing. I get paid month after month for doing work from the past. Like, a couple months ago, I did a website. I charge them $200 a month for the website and automations, and I get paid month after month for that. So there's tons of things you can do online. Once again, we have the affiliate commissions you can do, all these affiliate stuff you can sell online. So there's a lot of ways you can make money online, but we show you what we're doing. We show you how we're doing it, how we're making money. And a lot of it is through just building content. Hey, if you want to learn more, click on the link, like, subscribe. You can always book a Zoom with me. And I'd love to see you on this side. You can do the 30-day trial offer with Go High Level, and we'll show you how to use AI to make money online every day. Thanks. Have a great day.